You don't just come in and do the same thing every day. You get a new experience, a new outlet to be able to try new things. Really kind of makes the job fun and look forward to going to work every day. So a lot of service departments are going to be doing mostly residential situations and problems. So you're going to be under sinks, cleaning out toilets, doing a lot of things that most plumbers don't necessarily want to get into. JRT as a whole deals in commercial and industrial. That's what we're catering to in our service department. Our real focus is on the commercial field, and so that makes us light years difference from any other service shop.
I enjoy coming to work here every day and working with the people. The people really make JRT what it is.
The opportunity that they give to their employees. I started out in the shop and I've worked in a few different positions over the 8 years that I've been here.
They're willing to teach you what you need to learn. They give you opportunities to just grow. I think that's one of the best things.
So the more commercial the project, the more fun it is. It's exciting to go to every day. You look forward to work the next day to see what gets accomplished, and so that's kind of the joy of the line of work we do.
What keeps me working at JRT is they take care of me, I feel like, and I have a lot of freedom to advance and move forward.
Honest, loyal, driven, and positive.